Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on this 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. It's got a 6-inch rough country lift on it, some 20x10 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a chrome finish, and some 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. If you want more information on those tires and wheels, click somewhere, probably here, maybe there. It'll take you straight to a video that gives you all the information on this tire and wheel matchup. But let's talk about our tips and tricks for this 6-inch rough country lift kit. Yes, you can do it in your driveway, however, it is a little difficult. We don't have very many tips on the front. The first one is, there is an internal strut spacer, meaning you'll have to take your strut apart. So most people doing this in their driveway do not have a spring/strut compressor. So one, either make sure you go buy or rent one, or two, find a shop that can compress your strut, take the top hat off, put the spacer on, put it back on, get it all together, because there's an internal spacer and an external spacer. With that being said, that's tip number one. Tip number two is you are going to have a pain in the butt getting the top bolts off of your differential in the front. It's very common. Just slowly keep turning it. It's my tip. Just keep the course, stay steady, just continue to slowly turn that bolt until it comes out. Also, you are gonna have to cut your cross member, your rear cross member, so make sure you have a reciprocating saw and angle grinder so that you can cut the cross member on the front. Moving to the back, since it is not a leaf spring truck, it is a Ram, so they use springs, you get new upper control arms. What you're gonna find is when you disconnect the upper control arms, more than likely the truck is gonna shift. The axle is gonna shift because you also disconnect the track bar. So we have a couple different tips. One, keep your control arms loose. Do not tighten them down until all 4 control arms are on there. So you're gonna take off your 2 uppers, and more than likely it's gonna shift over. So either have a jack, like a floor jack, where you can lift and manipulate the axle to get it to line up, and or get a heavy duty strap so that you can shift it over. Tip number 5 is with the rear as well. It's the rear track bar relocation bracket. You're gonna disconnect your track bar, and what the track bar does is it keeps your axle center, meaning not shifted to the left or not shifted to the right because of the height of the lift. You're gonna find that your track bar is not gonna line up with the track bar relocation bracket. So again, I would recommend getting a heavy duty strap and just hooking it up to the frame and shifting your axle over, or lifting it up. If not, then you can have somebody lift the axle and or use a jack stand. A jack, not a jack stand. You'll need a jack stand on one side, a jack on the other to lift it up. Besides that, that's all of our tips and tricks for this 6-inch Dodge lift kit made by Rough Country. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love this gray truck, it's already lifted, it's already built, I don't have to go to a dealer, buy a truck. Well, luckily for you, all that you have to do is go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and you can scroll through all the vehicles that are currently for sale that are on dealers' lots ready to go to you. The idea is you can find the perfect truck, Jeep, 4Runner, call up that dealer, and then go buy it today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, fender flares, running boards, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get the parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.